Make a great choice today with the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, remote engine start. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, transmission temperature gauge. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.